Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two brothers, Ethan and Noah. They were inseparable, their bond stronger than any force of nature. Ethan, the elder of the two, was known for his wisdom and calm demeanor. He spent his days tending to the village's library, where he diligently cared for ancient scrolls and shared stories with curious children. Ethan had a deep love for books and believed that knowledge was the key to understanding the world. Noah, the younger brother, was an adventurous spirit. He could often be found exploring the lush forests surrounding the village, scaling trees, and observing the wildlife. Noah had a knack for connecting with animals and often rescued injured creatures, nursing them back to health. One sunny afternoon, a great storm cloud cast a shadow over the village. The villagers grew anxious as the storm approached, fearing it might bring disaster. Noah, undeterred, rushed to the forest to protect the animals, while Ethan stayed behind to help secure the villagers' homes. As the tempest raged on, Noah stumbled upon a family of foxes trapped in a den, threatened by rising waters. Risking his safety, he rescued the foxes and returned them to safety. Meanwhile, Ethan's quick thinking and the knowledge he had gathered from books helped him guide the villagers through the storm. When the storm finally passed, the villagers marveled at the brothers' courage and resourcefulness. Together, Ethan and Noah had protected their village, each using their unique talents and skills. The village was grateful for the bond between these two remarkable brothers, who, despite their differences, complemented each other perfectly. The story of Ethan and Noah served as a reminder to the villagers that unity and cooperation, like the bond between these brothers, were the keys to overcoming any challenge and creating a stronger community.